Thanks for tuning in to the official launch of Rush Athletics TV, where I'm hoping to jumpstart your cardio. Hit the subscribe button because now I'll be bringing you tutorials. I will bring in you ways you can use the skipping rope or the jump rope in the most effective way possible to get you into shape and keep you in shape all year round. What is cracking, family? We are now 100k strong thanks to you. It's an exciting video for me. It's a very quick video as well, I promise you, but we are 100k strong and I had to, of course, do the customary giveaway, man. Like, it's just as simple as that. I have to say thank you. I have to put you down here first as well, and I have to also warn you that there is a dodgy fire alarm in this place as always, and I can't reach it, so I haven't fixed it. But anyway, I digress. Hopefully that doesn't annoy you too much, guys. I'm so excited. It's freaking annoying, I know, sorry. I'm so excited. I'm filled with so much incredible emotions and positive vibes right now. The energy from you guys, everything that you've shown me over the last 5 years since I started YouTube, since my first ever video, has been incredible. And I just want to kind of pour my heart out, be open, be transparent, and tell it how it is before we get to what you have to do for the giveaway. But if you don't want to be bored, then just skip to this timestamp here, right? You can go straight to the giveaway. But guys, like, as I stand here in this incredible kind of space, what is now known as the RAHQ, this place used to be an empty shell, and I used to literally beg people to try and come here, and I used to try and train them, you know, once a week, just to kind of get the traction going and build this kind of movement from the ground up. And since my first ever video, I knew that, you know, this is something that I had to do. I just felt this purpose in life that I had to do. And I don't know how I got to 100,000. I don't know just why so many people connected with it, but I'm just grateful for it. And I'm just grateful as well that, you know, I was consistent with it, because at the end of the day, it was something that I enjoyed doing, I loved doing, and I loved kind of making impact on people's lives. And we got really lucky that, you know, we have such an amazing community. People like yourselves watching from home have backed the brand, have backed the vision, have pushed this dream onto your friends and family, and we share it together, man. That's just the message for today, is that I just want to say thank you, and that I'm really, really grateful for everything that you've done for the brand and all the support. This place is just absolutely amazing. I'm going to show it to you one more time quickly, because it's just a mess. It's a little bit of a mess, but I just finished up for the day, and you're keeping us busy, man. And listen, I want to keep it short and sweet, like I promised you. Just real quick and simple. All you have to do, right? And this is a massive giveaway, by the way. I'm looking to pick at least 5 winners to win whatever you want from my website. Okay, like, you literally just need to comment down below, and I want you to help me here, man. I'm trying to make a video on my kind of top 10 RA moments, my top 10 kind of videos, or top 10 kind of moments of this journey. And I want you to try and help me and try and kind of, yeah, let me know just basically in the comments what you remember to be your best RA memory. It could be a video, it could be like, you know, like a moment, maybe that time when I met up with the JRD boys, or when I did a trip to the USA, did meetups in London. What video kind of captured your attention, I guess, and just kept you, yeah, watching this mug. But listen, just however long, short, quick fire comment, and then let me know what you want from this website. I'm going to sign every single thing that I sent out. We're looking for like multiple winners, and if you want 2 things, 3 things, if you want to go out there and just list what you want, I promise you it's going to be the biggest ever giveaway. We're 100,000 strong. Yeah, just no holds barred, basically. We're gonna do this properly. Listen, I'm super excited. I can't wait to announce the winners. The winners will kind of be announced here at this date very, very soon. So just get commenting, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video as always. So peeps, it's been kind of crazy. We just released that 100k special video. Really emotional for us to create that, for myself included. It was a tribute to my late uncle, who unfortunately passed away from COVID this year. And he would have been really proud, I'm sure, and he would have been extra proud that, you know, of all the comments and all the people that follow you guys, that we've built such an amazing family. And fun fact about him is that he was actually the first person that I sent a rope to. He used to live in America, and when I was trying to plan how long things would take, how long my ropes could take to reach America. He was the first person I trialed it with. I sent him a money rope, and yeah, it was a success, of course, and he was literally the first person. So people keep sharing that positivity. Remember, life is too short. Your time is right now. Whatever you got planned, whatever you're dreaming, whatever you want to achieve, you see now, man, the world is freaking crazy. It's a very strange place, very unusual, but the time to act is now. So that's the final message from me. Just please go after those dreams and just never give up. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.